Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech channel. In our previous video, we have learned about what are statements in Java, and now in this video, we are going to learn about what are blocks in Java. So basically, blocks are nothing but the group of one or more statements in Java. As we know already that statement is nothing but an instruction which ends up with a semicolon in Java, and if we group that a group of statements which is called Java, blocks in Java. So let's see how it works. So let's say I'm writing a statement. Let's say sysout. This is let's say I am creating a block. So within like open brace and closing brace, within this I'm writing sysout. So here this is a statement which ends with a semicolon. Now I'm writing inside inside block. Okay, and similarly I can write this particular statement inside a method as well. So here this is the main method where I'm going to write this particular statement inside a main method, inside main method. Okay, let me go ahead and run it. If you see here, this main method is also enclosed within open brace and closing brace. So this is also another block. This is called main block. And let me go and execute this program. Hit this run button. I can see inside main method. But if you see here, this particular statement was not executed by JVM. The reason is that we have to make this particular block as a static, static, the keyword static. So if I make this particular block as static, then let's see the output. Here you go. So we can able to see that inside block and then inside main method. So which means that when we run any program, so initially if it has any static blocks, so that will get executed, then the static methods will get executed. So basically here if you see here, the static block was executed, and after that this main the static main method was get executed. So this is the blocks in Java, and actually we have two styles of writing a blocks. So the first one is if let's say true, then I can use this open brace and closing brace. So if I use this open brace in the same line as the statement, that is a one style. Let's say I am saying like statement it's true. Okay, the other style of writing a block is like having this particular open brace in the next line. So let me execute this program to see how it works. Now if you see in the console, inside block, inside main method, it's true always, meaning that so first it executed this particular static block, then it executed this main method. Within that we have our main this particular statement, and then it executed both these statements, both the blocks, right? Because this is the one style of writing a block and this is another style of writing a block. So this is these are all about blocks in Java. If you guys have any questions regarding this particular video, please post your questions in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.